Eskag Pharma Pvt Limited is the ideal choice for pharmaceutical contract manufacturing pharma in India. Our company offers services are unparalleled, providing the epitome of quality, efficiency, and customization, making us the trusted partner. We now offering laxative in multiple version. Constipation is a common problem worldwide, specifically in children. Polyethylene glycol 4000 based oral laxative sugar-free syrup, a safe laxative for pediatric to all ages. Cochrane review concluded that PAG 4000 in oral liquid was superior to lactulose for improving stool frequency, stool consistency and abdominal pain. Compared with other laxatives, polyethylene glycol, known as PAG, is a relatively new and safe laxative in use. Polyethylene glycol 4000 oral laxative sugar-free liquid. Polyethylene glycol 3350 with electrolyte oral laxative sugar-free liquid. Bowl preparation kit with sodium sulfate and potassium sulfate, in addition magnesium sulfate. Lactulose with polyethylene glycol. Email or call us for more information.